Okay, siguro medyo mahina yung signal. Okay, so anyways.
Siguro it's about time for us to listen the presentation and all. And I guess we're all overwhelmed with all these testimonies and kumbaga, we cannot allow this opportunity to slip into our hands. So, excited na ba lahat? Can I see a thumbs up? Excited na ba lahat for our compensation plan? Kasi pag hindi ka na thumbs up, hindi ito magsisimula si Engineer Leo Aba. Okay? Because we will not allow every words that fall on the ground. No? Hindi po pwedeng hayaan natin mahulog sa lupa ang kanyang mga litanya. Alright? So, thumbs up? Ayun! Yeah. Jason, thumbs up na. Okay? So, meaning, ready na yan yung maman. At by the way, mali pala yung katanungan na sinong gustong yumaman. Mali pala yung tanong na yun. The right question would be, sino ang handang yumaman? Kasi ang pagyaman, pinaghahandaan. Yes. Right now, I will encourage you to increase your thermostat, to increase your barometer. Pag hindi ma-increase ang barometer nyo, you will be overwhelmed. Malulula po kayo sa pag-uusapan natin ngayon because it's gonna be, mind-blowing. All right? So no further ado, let me call on our speaker and, of course, country manager and the founder of Unity Summit, none other than Engineer Leo Aba.
Okay, so thank you very much, no? So, sisikapin ko na in just a matter of 20 minutes tapos na po tayo para sa isang oras talaga, no? Natapos yung natin, yung Zoom meeting natin ngayon. Okay, so what is the program all about, no? So, the program natin talaga ngayon, ang pinaka-proyekto natin ngayon is basically, about Bitcoin. Okay? So, ang pinaka-goal talaga natin is to accumulate 10 Bitcoins. Okay? So, ang tanong, magkano na ba ang Bitcoin ngayon? Or magkano ba talaga yung Bitcoin? Year 2009, kasi dyan nagsimula 2008, 2009 ang Bitcoin. Alam nyo ba na ang Bitcoin, 2009, kung meron kang isang Bitcoin, walang value po yan. Pero ngayon, that's already a whopping 6 million pesos. Okay? Ika nga, pakita ko sa inyo, para mas lalo nyong ma-appreciate. Okay? So kung i-check nyo ang Google, that's Google. Okay? Price of Bitcoin, okay? Magkano ba ang price ng Bitcoin ngayon? Bitcoin, lagay ko lang now. Yan. Yan po. That's already 6 million pesos. I-zoom nyo lang. Okay? So, year 2009, magkano lang ba ang presyo ng Bitcoin? Halos walang value. Wala talagang value. So, kung meron kang isang Bitcoin, tinago mo lang, pagdating ngayon, it's already 6 million. Kung i-check nyo, compared to gold, compared to oil, compared to property, it's even more valuable. Okay? Lahat ng humawak ng nagmamay-ari ng isang Bitcoin, kung hindi niya po ito ginastos, nilagay niya lang, isinantabi niya lang, mayaman na siya ngayon. Okay? Totoo po yan. Okay? Facts yan So hindi yan yung tipong kuro-kuro lang. That's really a facts. Okay? So fact po yan basically. Detalye na yan. Talagang hindi na siya debatable for that. Kaya ang programa natin ngayon is all about how to have your Bitcoin. 1 Bitcoin or even 10 Bitcoins. Yun ang goal natin dito sa community natin. Okay? So ang tanong, gusto nyo ba yun? Gusto nyo ba magkaroon ng 60 million pesos in the next 3 to 5 years time? Okay? Take note In 3 to 5 years time, gusto nyo na ba ng 60 million pesos? I do believe lahat tayo. Yan po ang worth ng Bitcoin ngayon. Kung 10 Bitcoin, that will be 60 million plus. Okay? So, to continue, hindi po sa pang-Pilipinas lang yan na plano. Okay? Buong mundo po ang plano dyan. Okay? Ang business platform natin ngayon, which is under Ricky's Booster, actually, our goal is to go global since na online tayo. Okay? We have business interests or we have branches in Korea. Our 7 conglomerates are in Korea. Okay? May branch pa tayo sa business as well in Vietnam, in Indonesia, soon in Japan, and we have right now our existing mining farm in UAE sa Al Ain, Pwede nyo ipa-visit yan. And mind you, Siguro naman may mga katanungan ngayon, no? Sir, sure ba yan? Sure ba yung negosyo na papasukan natin? Kasi ang daming beses na po namin na scam. Totoo yun. Okay? Ganun din po ang na-experience namin. Bago namin to sinimulan, bago namin ito ipapromote sa inyo ngayon, yung isa sa mga financial platform namin, okay, which is Ricky's Booster, pasado po siya sa level 3 na due diligence. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Hindi po kami yung tipong naniwala lang sa sinabi ng kaibigan namin. Okay? We did our own due diligence and even validated it na talagang pinuntahan namin, kinilala namin yung may-ari, pinuntahan namin yung lugar, yung bahay, yung operation niya, kilala namin siya. Hindi yung tipong may pumasok na foreigner dito sa Pilipinas, magpapaastang mayaman, pero hindi mo alam kung saan siya nakatira at hindi mo alam lalo ang kanyang nationality. Di ba? Nagpapaasta lang na ganito, iba pala ang nationality. Okay? So, pasado po siya sa due diligence natin. Take note, hindi po to sugal at wala pong hyping dito, walang natalo dito basically at hindi po ito pyramiding scheme. Anong pyramiding scheme? Maraming definition sa pyramiding scheme, ha. Pero sa akin guys, simple lang. For me, no, ang pinaka-vital sa isang negosyo, dapat kung meron mang pay-ins, meron mang cash na pumasok sa kumpanya, siguro at around 10, 15, 20%, kaltasan lang sa komisyon, then enough na yon. Pero kung ang nangyayari, okay, basically, ang sobrang daming mga nag-i-income sa taas nang dahil lang sa pay-in, meaning daming cash out, that's bound to fail. Kaya ang napansin ko niya na isang experience sa network marketing professional sa Pilipinas, no, hindi lang sa Pilipinas but sa buong mundo, because I've also ventured into international companies, hindi po tumatagal ang kumpanya na yan. Kung tumagal man, kasi meron ako nakikita sa Pilipinas na tumagal, ilang beses na po yan nagpalit ng marketing plan. Okay? Modesty aside, okay? Galing po ako sa isang kumpanya na mahigit almost 2 decades na. Ilang beses na rin siya nagpalit ng marketing plan. Sakit sa ulo. Tanong, di ba? May retention ba? Maliit. Only 1, 2, or 3% lang ang retention. Meaning, natitira. Kung meron man dyan, di ba? Inactive pa. Bakit? Sobrang challenging yung buhay na yan sa negosyo na yan. At for me, if meron tayong nilalabag na utos sa Biblia or sa mga brothers natin na mga Muslims, kung meron man tayong panauhan ng mga Muslim, kung ang negosyo may nilalabag sa Quran or sa Biblia, for me, no, in my own opinion, hindi po tatagal yan. Kasi nga, wala ang Panginoon Diyos yan. Di ba? Okay. So, ang kagandahan sa business opportunity na isi-share namin sa inyo ngayon, basically, no, pwede po dito na walang recruit. Okay? At ang kagandahan dito, within 24 hours time, pwede na tayong kumita kaagad. Okay? And it has a 100% retention. So, okay? The name of our company, the name of our program. Okay? Share ko lang sa inyo, no, yung slides with our sound kasi meron siyang video para at least mas lalo nyo maintindihan kung ano yung opportunity nito. Okay? So, the name of our company is Ricky's Booster and it's all about Bitcoin mining. Okay? So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaintindi kung ano pa talaga yung Bitcoin mining. Okay? So, watch these 2 videos, no, para mas maintindihan nyo kung ano ito. Okay?
What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin operates as a peer-to-peer network. This means that everyone who uses Bitcoin is a tiny fraction of the bank of Bitcoin. But where do Bitcoins come from? With paper money, a government decides when to print and distribute money. Bitcoin doesn't have a central government. With Bitcoin, miners use special software to solve math problems and are issued a certain number of Bitcoins in exchange. This provides a smart way to issue the currency and also creates an incentive for more people to mine. And since miners are required to approve Bitcoin transactions, more miners means a more secure network. The Bitcoin network automatically changes the difficulty of the math problems, depending on how fast they're being solved. In the early days, Bitcoin miners solved these math problems with the processors in their computers. Soon, miners discovered that graphics cards used for gaming were much better suited to this kind of math. Graphics cards are faster, but they use more electricity and generate a lot of heat. The first commercial Bitcoin mining products included chips that were reprogrammed for mining Bitcoin. These chips were faster, but still power-hungry. ASIC, or Application-Specific Integrated Circuit chips, are designed specifically for Bitcoin mining. ASIC technology has made Bitcoin mining even faster while using less power. As the popularity of Bitcoin increases, more miners join the network, making it more difficult for individuals to solve the math problems. To overcome this, miners have developed a way to work together in pools. Pools of miners find solutions faster than their individual members, and each miner is rewarded proportionate to the amount of work he or she provides. Mining is an important and integral part of Bitcoin that ensures fairness while keeping the Bitcoin network stable, safe, and secure. For more information about Bitcoin mining, visit bitcoinmining.com.
Welcome to Ricky's Booster, a groundbreaking innovation in the world of cryptocurrency mining. Designed with simplicity, efficiency, and profitability at its core, Ricky's Booster empowers individuals and businesses to participate in the digital currency revolution. Let's explore how we're redefining mining for a smarter future. For years, cryptocurrency mining has been synonymous with complexity. Expensive hardware,
Okay, no? So, to continue, no? Okay, para hindi tayo humaba, no? Anyways, no, nasa YouTube channel yan kung ano yung business natin, okay? Patungkol tayo sa, okay, Bitcoin mining, okay? So, the owner of our company is, grabe, no? Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng negosyante na sobrang transparent at sobrang straightforward. Okay? The name of our CEO or chairman actually, meron po siyang 7 businesses already. Ito yung pang-7 niya. Okay? Sa 6 na businesses niya, sobrang successful na siya sa Korea. Okay? And then, meron siyang cosmetics business, meron siyang parang Lazada, which is the so-called Ricky's Mall. Okay? And then, sa kanya rin yung tinatawag na Ricky's Family and yung Matari. And he also has his own cosmetics manufacturing plant in Korea. Okay? And nasa cryptocurrency na siya for quite some time, no? Nasa mga 3 years na. He also own a channel, no? Sa Binance, no? Kaya 2 beses na tayo na feature sa Binance, no? Okay? Almost 300,000 na rin yung followers natin sa Binance. Okay? Then he also owns, no? Ang chairman natin, ang tinatawag natin na cryptocurrency exchanger, which is a BitInside, no? So sobrang lakas na rin yan sa Korea. Okay? Most of his market are sa Korea. But right now, doing this, it will become global already. Okay? So, I would like to introduce you our chairman, no? Mr. Ricky Sio. Okay? Ricky din po ang pangalan niya. Halos lahat ng business niya, 90% nakapangalan sa kanya yung brand, Ricky. And here in the Philippines, no? Yung SEC registration natin, actually, it's 100% owned and managed din ni Ricky Sio, ng chairman natin. Okay? So, pwede na pala na 100%. Okay? So we'll be also updating you guys, no, yung office natin. I think ang possible natin yan is sa NCR. Okay? Might be in Makati or in BGC. Okay? So to continue, no, nakita na po na kami na ni Ricky, no. So part of my due diligence actually, mga panauhin, mga guests natin, no, is to really meet him, no. Nakausap ko siya, nakaututang dila, naramdaman ko yung pagiging seryoso niya. No? So this is Ricky. Okay? So meron lang siyang sugat dito time nasugatan sa pag-shave niya actually. Okay? So that's Ricky Sio, no? Yan. Okay, together with Edward, no, sa back end. Okay? Then together with the Doc Paulo Domingo sa Resorts World kami niyan having a meeting. Okay? So ito yung some of his offices in Korea, no? Matari Cosmetics, Ricky's Family. Okay? Yan yung mga staffs niya, some of his guests, no? Brief video natin sa Korea. Ito yung mga panahon na nag-release talaga kami. Meron ba talagang opisina sa Korea? Talagang may kumuha ng mga videos do, no? Pina-check namin sa mga kababayan natin ng mga Koreano, mga nasa Korea, kababayan natin ng mga Pilipino ng Korea, even to friends do ng mga Koreans as well. Okay? So, pumasa talaga na requirement namin, no? Kasi dito, no, sobrang na talaga kami. Okay, ni Doc Paulo Domingo, ni Brother Roland, no? Lahat kami, no? Kasi ang daming mga foreigner na mga company na pumapasok sa Pilipinas, tapos yun nga, no? Sad to say, no? Ang iba sa kanila ay niloloko lang nila ang mga kababayan natin. Okay? So ito rin yun, no? Sa video na to, ito yung farm natin sa Al-Ain, no? Sa UAE. Edward, kasama dyan, ang tutuloy na team. Okay? So ito yung isa sa mga partner natin sa UAE. Okay? Sa Al-Ain. Planta natin. Okay? Quick video lang, no? Para hindi tayo mapahaba rin. Okay? Ayan yung plant natin. Okay? And then, talagang pinapuntahan din natin sa mga kababayan natin.
But nowadays, most of the farms they are changing to the
okay? And then mga taga-Al-Ain as well. No? So, wala, no? May part dito na maging Gerald Laksamana. Yan. Yan.
Sabi natin ng ad minor, which is the meaning of the word. Kung sa atin ngayon, UAE.
Talagang pinuntahan niya yung plan natin, yung isa sa mga branch natin sa business para ma-confirm, ma-validate, no, na totoo lahat ng sinasabi ng negosyo na ito, lahat ng kumpanyang ito. Okay, so paunahan ko na kayo kasi may mga nagtatanong na, paano ba natin sisimulan yan, sir? Baka naman sobrang mahal yan. Baka naman sobrang laki ng kapital para makapagnegosyo tayo dyan. Okay, so unahan ko na kayo. It's very affordable. You can start this business even with $100 only, which is roughly at around 6,000 pesos only. So merong 1,000, 5,000, $10,000, no? Kung gusto niyo magsimula dito, you can start with 100. Okay? So that's very affordable. 6,000 pesos only. Okay? So yan po yung business natin. Nasa mining tayo, no? I will not discuss more into technicalities, no? Para at least no, hindi tayo ma-overload, no? So yan yung mga existing natin na office ngayon. We have in Korea, Vietnam, Philippines. Okay? Then soon, no, in UAE as well, no? At marami pang iba kasi ang plano natin dito, magparami tayo ng machines, no, not just in one place but to multiple areas or countries as well. Okay? So, ang mission and vision natin is basically to provide a technology wherein, no, ang mga kababayan natin, ang mga partners natin can take advantage of the growth of Bitcoins and of course, to enjoy passive income using our program and business concept and system as well. Okay? So, ito yung mga officials natin, no? Our chairman, Ricky Sio. May 20 years na po yung experience sa pagnegosyo. Okay? Si Brother Sam ng Prom, no? Our CEO sa marketing operations sa buong mundo. Okay? So ano na rin yan? Sobrang tagal na rin yan, no? Almost 20 years na rin yan sa pagnenegosyo. Negosyante po yan, no? Na naging part sa atin, no? Sa company natin, no? Kasi nakita niya na sobrang ganda ng vision ng CEO natin. Kaya a good friend yan ng CEO natin, ng chairman natin, tinap talaga yan. Bro, pwede mo bang samahan mo muna ako sa negosyo? Na-meet ko na rin yan si Brother Ed. Saka si Brother Samnang pala, Samnang Prom. Okay, so si Brother Eric Nguyen is a top caliber na network marketer yan. Hindi yan sasali sa mga pipitsugi ng mga kumpanya or yung hindi pang matagalan na negosyo. Kaya nung nakita ko na COO siya dito sa business natin ngayon, si Eric Nguyen, mas lalo akong namangha. Okay, then he will be handling the Vietnam operations. Okay, while our team will be handling the Philippine team. Okay, si Eric Nguyen will be handling the Vietnam team. At the same time, he is a CEO of the company. Okay? So, yan po ang ilan sa mga officers natin sa company. Okay? Actually, sobrang kompleto ng officers natin. Nung binilang ko, we have no less than 30 people. And then, we have our own accounting team. No? We have our own legal team. No? Sa business operation natin, talagang very professional. Pangmatagalan, hindi yung pangmadalian na opportunity. Okay? So, yung programa natin, no, papakita ko lang sa inyo, no? Actually, no, ito yung pinaka-programa natin, no. So, all you need to do is kung makita ninyo na magandang opportunity ito at naintindihan niyo na lahat. Okay? At pwede kayong magtanong sa mga nag-invite sa inyo. Okay? Paano ba talaga sisimulan 'yan? Paano ba talaga tayo kikita diyan? Okay? So, madali lang po. All you need to do is to choose your own cloud mining. So kung $100 ang gusto niyong simulan, go for it. Okay? And then ang kagandahan doon sa $100 na yan, you can already enjoy the so-called, di ba, mining income in 24 hours time. Meron ka na pong ilan-ilan na mga bitcoins. Hindi 1 bitcoin ha, sobrang laki yon. Okay? So 0.00 something. Every day, no? Meron tayong bitcoins na nare-receive in just a matter of 24 hours time without recruitment or without selling. Okay? So yan yung pinaka-benepisyo natin kung sasali tayo sa Ricky's Booster. Okay? At ang kagandahan dyan, no? Kung gusto mo na mas lalong bibilis yung pag-produce ng bitcoins every day at sa mas malaking amount of bitcoins every day, all you need to do is to create a community. Grupo. Dapat willing ka na makatulong sa mga kababayan natin. Okay? So, ang kagandahan doon, you will be earning 5% to 45% Bitcoin equivalent yan every day sa grupo mo kung gusto mo. Okay? Mag-create ng grupo. Okay? At ang good news, kung mag-create ka ng grupo, meron tayong programa na tao na mismo ang lalapit sa iyo. Okay? Kung gusto mo yan, okay, balikan nyo ako for that. Okay? Or, simulan mo na yung business para malaman mo na. Okay? Kasi ituturo namin sa inyo yan for free. At ang good news, no? Anytime na nakapag-invite po tayo, no? Ng sasali sa business natin, meron po tayong 15% kaagad na direct referral commission. So kung $100, meron kang $15. So naka-invite ka lang ng 10, that will be $150 already. Meaning, bawi ka na po sa capital mo, may $50 ka pa na profit. Di ba? Sobrang ganda. Okay? So, ang pinaka-process natin sa pagsimula sa business na to, sobrang dali lang. Sobrang dali lang talaga. All you need to do, no, kung interested ka na, sabi mo, uy, okay ako dito Madali lang to. Okay? So, all you need to do is to ask for the registration form. Okay? For example, sa akin, no, kung ako nag-invite sa inyo, ask for my link. I-share ko sa iyo yung link with the instructions on step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay? Once na naka-register na kayo sa Ricky's Booster, okay? Pwede nyo nang gawin yung business. Pero hindi pa kayo kumikita. Di ba? Kaagad ng daily. Dapat i-activate nyo. So, i-activate nyo by way of payment. Okay? So, ang ipipay nyo is US dollars or USDT. Okay? Pero, okay, take note ang process, hindi po kayo ang magbabayad sa akin. Hindi po ako tatanggap ng pera. Any one of us here are not going to accept payments from you guys. Hindi po tayo paglilikom. Wala tayong ginagawang paglilikom dito ng payment. Okay, bawal po yon. So ngayon, tuturuan ka namin, mag-open ka ng Binance na wallet. Okay? Or any wallet, any crypto wallet, then ikaw na mismo ang bibili. Gag-guide ka lang namin. Okay? So once payment done, then performance monitoring ka na kaagad. Bakit? Kasi meron ka ng Bitcoin na everyday na namamine or na i-enjoy na benepisyo. Okay? And of course, kung maka-accumulate ka ng $100 na worth of Bitcoins, you can actually withdraw it. So if you are earning every day $100 worth of Bitcoins, you can withdraw it every day. Okay? Ayun, ganun lang kadali ang programa natin. So, take note ito yung pinaka 4 types of income natin. You have your own BTC mining or Bitcoin mining every day. Meron kayo enjoy na Bitcoin. You can refer, no? Unlimited income to. Then you can enjoy group mining. So while ang grupo nag-enjoy ng Bitcoins every day, 5% to 45% of that meron kang share. At ang kagandahan dito, meron ka pang tinatawag na value growth. Anong ibig sabihin? Pag tumaas si Bitcoin, another income. Doble pa or even triple or even times 10. Okay? So, ganun lang po, no? Ang flexible mining packages natin, basically we have 100, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. Okay? So, sample, no? For example, nagsimula ka na, no? Nakapag-refer ka. For example, dito no, sa sample natin, nakapag-refer ka ng 3 ng 100, 1,000, saka 10,000. So, ang total niyan, meron kang 15% of that. Okay? So, sample niyan, no? Si Ana, na pumasok ng 100, si Lisa, 1,000, si Susan, 5,000, si Kenny, 10,000, si Calvin, 5,000. Each one of them, meron kang 15%. So, sa 100, meron kang $15. Sa 1,000, 150. Sa 5,000, 750. Sa 10,000, $1,500. Sa 5,000, meron kang 750. A total of $3,165. Ganun lang po kasimple. Tapos, pwede nyo na kaagad na i-withdraw or in-cash yan. Real time. Okay? Ganun lang po kadali yung referral program natin. Okay? So, paano naman sa group mining? Ay, so, simple lang din. So, if this is you, okay? So, si Ana, nakapag-accumulate siya, for example, ng 3 Bitcoin. Si Lisa, 3 Bitcoin. Si Susan, 3. Si Kenny, 3. Si Calvin, 3. So, a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 15, no? 15 ba yan? Okay? Ano? 5 pala. 5, 5, 5. So, 25 BTC. 25 Bitcoins. I-multiply mo lang yun ng 5%. That's equivalent to 1.25 Bitcoins. Ano lang po kasimple pag-calculate sa group. Kung 5% ka, paano ngayon kung 10% ka? Masalong mas malaki pa dyan. Okay? So, para magkaroon ka ng 10%, all you need to do is to accomplish the so-called star 1. Okay? So, kung star 1, hindi siya applicable kung $100 ka lang. So, pwede kang mag-upgrade to $1,000. Okay? O pwede kang mag-add ng $1,000. Hindi pala siya upgradable na 100 gawing 1,000. No. Add ka lang ng 1,000. Okay? So, pag-add mo ng 1,000, okay? And then kung may group sales ka na $15,000, meron ka na rin direct referral na 3, okay? May enjoy mo na yung tinatawag na 10% sa group mining. So sample dyan, kung meron kang 3 BTC na total, 111, no? Sa grupo mo, ni Lisa, ni Susan, ni Ana. So i-multiply mo lang yan ng 10% and you will enjoy how much, no? So that's basically 10% of 9 Bitcoins, no? That is equivalent to 0.9 BTC. So kung 3 Bitcoin, meron kang 0.3 BTC. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. Okay? So, meron din tayong 15%, no? Up to 45% yan. So, you can screenshot this, no? Itong pinaka-compensation plan natin, and you can go back to the person who invited you for more details about this. Okay? So, at this juncture, that's the end of my presentation. So, right now, we are opening our floor, okay? Okay, our Zoom meeting right now for any questions para masagot nating lahat. Okay, so meron pa tayong mga katanungan. Okay? Have any questions?